Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create certificate in Odoo. This is useful if you are using Odoo for online courses, employee training, student learning, or any kind of skill-based program where learners need to complete an assessment and receive proof of completion. We'll start from the home screen in Odoo. From here, the first thing you want to do is open the e-learning app. This is where Odoo manages online learning content, courses, and certifications. So it's the right place to build a certificate experience for your learners. Using the e-learning app keeps your course content and certification process in one place, which makes it easier to manage both the learning material and the final assessment. Once you're inside e-learning, click on Courses. This section gives you access to the different learning items you can manage. From there, select Certifications. This is the area specifically designed for creating assessments and certification content, so if your goal is to issue or manage certificates, this is the section you'll be working in. For example, you can use certifications for internal staff training, customer education, online workshops, or professional learning programs. Next, click on New to create a fresh certification. This opens the setup page where you can begin defining the certificate details. This is where you start building the actual certification record that learners will see and complete. In the certification name field, type the name you want to use. Make sure the title is clear and specific, because this helps learners understand exactly what certification they are taking and makes it easier to identify later in your system. For example, instead of using a very general name like Training Certificate, you can use something more specific like Sales Training Certification or Odoo Basics Certification. After naming the certification, click on Upload your file. This is where you add the related file for the certificate setup. Be sure to choose the correct file so everything displays properly and matches the certification you're creating. This file should be relevant to the certification, so double-check the design, title, and details before uploading it. Once that's done, choose who to share it with. This step is important because it controls visibility and access. Depending on your training setup, you may want to limit the certification to a specific audience or make it available more broadly. Take a moment here to confirm that the sharing settings match your intended users. For example, if this certificate is only for employees, you may want to keep it restricted, but if it's part of a public online course, you may want to make it easier for learners to access. Next, add questions and sections. This is the core part of the certification because it defines what learners will be assessed on. Organizing content into sections can make the certification easier to follow, and adding well-structured questions helps ensure the assessment is clear and effective. You can group questions by topic, difficulty level, or lesson area, depending on how your course is organized. As you build this out, keep the learner experience in mind so the certification feels organized and professional. Try to make the questions clear, direct, and connected to the course content. A good certification should test what the learner has actually studied, not confuse them with unclear wording. When everything looks good, click Save. Saving stores all of your changes and creates the certification in Odoo. It's a good habit to quickly review the name, file sharing settings, and questions before saving, just to avoid having to come back and edit anything right away. Also, make sure the certification is complete enough for learners to understand what they need to do. Finally, click Close. This exits the creation screen and takes you out of the setup process. At this point, your certification has been created and saved in Odoo. You can now review it, connect it with your course flow if needed, and use it as part of your learning setup. And that's it. That's how to create a certificate in Odoo from start to finish. Once your certification is ready, learners can complete the required questions, and you can manage the certification process directly inside Odoo.